Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the Daily SPY report for Wednesday, January 5th, 2022. As usual, before I jump into the charts, I just want to encourage you to please click like each and every time you watch the Daily SPY report. It does help out a great deal with regard to the Wicked Stocks YouTube presence, our search engine results. And also subscribe. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel will provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded to the Wicked Stocks channel. Just about every day. Actually, every day with regard to the Daily SPY report, the Daily Triple Q report. We also put out a weekly DIA, a weekly IWM, and soon coming a weekly Bitcoin. We also put out one free stock pick a week. We do a couple of others a week as well, but they're more in the premium section of the Wicked Stocks subscription. So let's take a look at the charts. These are all daily bar charts, and you can see here that we're still trading inside this band between 475.49 and 479.59. These are today's Wednesday's levels. They're a little higher than they were on Tuesday and on Monday, so forth and so on. But you can see both are performing well in containing market activity. And I'm still skewing to the upside above 475.49. I say that with some degree of caution because I don't want to sound outlandishly bullish. I would become outlandishly bullish if we closed above 479.59 because that would be kind of a secondary sign of strength into later January, and then I would anticipate the upper 480s, which I'll show in just a moment. But I do think after the big rally a week and a half ago, that we're sort of taking a time out here in this band, and I do lean bullish above 475.49. But I could be wrong, you know. I'm not assuming that I'm right here. There are a million and one ways to analyze the market, whether it's technically or fundamentally. And if you personally see good reason to be short the market here, I won't argue that. I think 479.59 is, on one way of seeing it, a legitimate zone to sell into. And it may actually be the high area as we look ahead into later January. But I personally find that the market is more stable to bullish into later January above 475.49. I think it's a matter of time before we close above 479.59 and then reach the upper 480s. But if you see good reason to play the short side right now, you could scale into a short position at 479.59, and then you could add to it if we violate 475.49 to the downside. That's just one possibility. If you're a position trader who trades 3 to 5 days out, 2 to 3 weeks out, so forth and so on. If we're talking downside here, we got the 475.49 level. I do think that that needs to be backed up at least today by 474.32, and I'll just call this the slippage factor. You can see that on Friday and Monday we slipped below that 475.49 formation and then came back, and we could do it again. I think the sort of rubber band snaps, so to speak, if we close today below 474.32, and then I think we have a pretty clear-cut 2 to 3 week sell signal to the downside where I would anticipate 453.58, that channel bottom. There are other things going on there longer term. I'm not going to show you now. I've shown in the past. I will certainly be showing if we close today below 474.32, but I think we can just comfortably say the low to mid 450s become a 2 to 3 week objective if we close today below 474.32. Until then, the 475.49 level is a base of support, and obviously we've got 479.59 as resistance, both of them able to contain activity into later week. And once again, if we close above 479.59, that adds fuel to the rally, and I would anticipate the 489.46 formation within probably by the end of next week. If we close today above 479.59, the 489.46 formation, that channel top, is part of a long-term range of support. A ceiling of resistance between 487.76 and 489.46, both rising gradually. Becomes kind of it remains a 2 to 3 week target right now, once again above 475.49. And if we close today above 479.59, I think it's likely to be realized by the end of next week. That 487.76 to 89.46 area able to contain buying into, possibly through February trade. We could fall off from there in the weeks to follow. And inversely, closing above 489.46 would add fuel to an already existing bull market. And I think that the market would then have a more protracted, steady upside pace. accelerated pace into the 550s or higher over the following 3 to 5 months. I'll leave you with the support and resistance. We can go over it here. We have 475.49 as our support today and into later week, and above which 489.46 in reach over the next few weeks. We do need to close above 479.59 to yield the upper 480s within as little as 1 week of activity. And by the way, 479.59 able to contain buying into later week. As I say, we could trade inside that 475.49 to 479.59 area through the rest of the week. Now, downside, I say closing below 474.32, you really need to wait that one out. Not just below 475.49, but also violating 474.32. If on an intraday basis, we could test 472.36 within the day. And if we close today below 474.32, 468.12 is likely within the week. 460.78 within 3 to 5, well, by the end of next week. And then over the next few weeks, as I say, the 453 handle would be anticipated. You know, I think that kind of covers it. I'm just going to leave you with the support and resistance as it is here. Please click like if you are watching the Daily Spy Report, and please click subscribe. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel is to your advantage. It'll provide you content when it's relevant. And that's all I've got for Wednesday's Daily Spy Report. I'll be back tomorrow for Thursdays. You have a great day, and we will talk soon.